Hi everyone. So today we have Blaupunkt Sevilla from early 2000, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the CD player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, so in order to activate Bluetooth, we have to switch on to aux. Okay, now the Bluetooth is activated. We did eliminate the aux from this radio, but instead we installed the Bluetooth. Okay, so now we'll go to our cell phone. Let's go to Bluetooth, and here it is. Simply connect it. That's it. Now we'll go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Almost forgot. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Okay, all lights are working. So it's very simple. Okay, when you want to back to your normal radio, to CD player, simply go back with source and you back to radio. Cool, right? Thumbs up.